In this guide, I'll show you how to use Apple Pay on your PS5 in the PlayStation Store. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to the PlayStation Store, and then you simply want to add the game that you want to purchase. So in this case, I'm just going to be selecting this game, and I'm going to select it to add it to the cart, and then it's going to ask you to confirm purchase. So we're going to go to these three dots here and scroll down and go to Add Payment Method. Now this is where you're going to find Pay with Apple Pay, so go ahead and select this payment method, and then go to Confirm Purchase. Now to pay with Apple Pay, you'll want to scan this code that's generated on your screen with the camera on your Apple device, and when you do this, Apple Pay will pop up, and you simply want to confirm the purchase. So you'll be able to see on my screen right now that it says continue on your iPhone to review the purchase details and confirm payment. So I've just done that now, and after a few seconds it'll process, and then you'll get a thank you notification indicating it's gone through, and you'll now be able to download your new game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.